concrete surfaces and removes paint or coatings and to clean and prepare concrete surface. Prior to coating and floor covering installation, rugged sand casting and heavy gauge steel construction. Adopt Japanese NSK bearings to ensure strong load and high speed. Imported excellent tough alloy blade, which is sharp, wearable, and long-serving life. Adopted ring feeder in drum has the advantages of shock resistance, single bearings support, excellent welt performance, which is suitable for operation in workshop. The milling depth is controlled freely. Concrete cutter. The concrete road cutter is mainly used to kerf in steel of road, municipal administration, making amendment in damaged. Honda engine, excellent performance, easy to start up. Adopt Japanese NSK bearings to ensure strong load and high speed. Adopt thickened material to ensure strength of machine. No power limit, easy operation.